Hey, what's up, guys? It's the Bass God. Hey, I'm doing a quick video real quick just to let y'all know I'm leaving these subs out until I get my 4 powerus 10Ks in. Because I'm just tired of taking these subs out, putting them in, taking them out, putting them in. And I wanted to try to invert all 8 of them, but I don't have the space just because of the mountain depth between all the subs. So I'm just going to leave these out until I get my 4 10Ks. That way I can wire up each pair and then install my amps instead of just putting them in, running my 15Ks, getting my 10Ks, taking the subs back out and rewiring them. That's just too much work. So I'm gonna leave these out and I'm gonna wait for my 10Ks or whenever I get them. I'm selling these 15Ks, 1,000 each shipped. So if you're looking for a 15K, half ohm stable, 1,000 shipped. And I'm also selling my my Rockford 360.3. That's my DSP, my digital signal processor. I'm selling that too. The reason I'm selling that is because I'm getting a new DSP. Well, actually, I already got it already. It's the Helix DSP 0.3. So I got that coming in. It got shipped from Germany about 3 days ago. So I got that Helix coming in. And the reason why I'm switching is because my Rockford don't like the higher voltage. I want to run my system at 16 volts flat. And the Rockford don't like 15.7. So just going to get rid of it, and I'm selling that for $250 shipped. So if you need a digital signal processor, I'm selling my Rockford digital signal processor for $250 shipped. All right, so the bill is going to be down for a while until I get my 10Ks. Once I get all 4 of them, I'm gonna mount them, then I'm gonna hook the subs back up. But just to let y'all know, you know, with the Helix coming in, I'm going to do a video on that with tuning and showing y'all the difference with the Helix. And I messed with the software, and the software with the Helix is amazing. When I say it's amazing, it's amazing. And I think that's like a SQ type of sound processor. So just want to give y'all a tip on what's happening with the build, and stay tuned.